Have you ever dreamt of making money doing what you love doing? Well, I'm here to tell you that it's not just possible, it's actually within your reach. And in today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how you can turn your passion into profitable online or offline business. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan to start earning from what truly excites you. Making money from your passion is one of the most fulfilling experiences. It's frustrating when you spend days doing something that you do not like to do just for the paycheck. But when you are doing something you love doing and getting paid for it, it's just like a breath of fresh air. There's so many stories of people who have transformed their passion into businesses, but I won't bore you with, repeated stories. You've probably heard these examples before. So I'll just go straight into showing you exactly how to turn your passion into profits. If you already have a profitable niche or passion, just feel free to skip until number 5, where I explain how to monetize your passion. But if you're still in the process of identifying your niche and you want to ensure that this niche is profitable, the first 4 steps are actually very crucial. I'll not only cover how you identify your niche, I'll also cover how to understand your audience and lay the groundwork for you turning your passion into a successful business venture. So if this applies to you, just stay with me for these foundational steps. The first step is to identify your profitable passion. Emphasis on profitable, because there's some passion that, wouldn't necessarily generate you income. So the first step is discovering your passion that can actually be turned into a business. So you need to ask yourself certain questions like, what do I love doing? What am I good at? What do people often ask me for help with? For example, you may like to bake, you may like to teach, you may be good at, singing, dancing. It could be anything at all. What do people usually go to you and ask for help with? So just ask yourself these questions and it will help you narrow down what your passion is or what you're particularly good at. So the second step is to validate your idea. So before jumping into any business at all, it's important that you validate your idea. And how do you do this? It's just by asking yourself more questions like, is there demand for this passion I have? Are people actively searching for it? What is the competition like? Can you offer something, unique or different? There are several ways you can do this research. You can use tools like Google Trends. You can use even YouTube, Instagram, and the likes to research trending topics. It's also important that you check if people are, already monetizing similar passions that you have, and whether there is a gap you can fill. If you would like me to do a dedicated video on this, also let me know in the comments, and I'll be happy to make a dedicated video for that. If you're finding value so far, don't forget to like and subscribe. It does help me a lot and it helps push this video to the right audience, okay, so other people can learn. So just do me the favor of just liking this video and subscribing if you want to become a part of this awesome community. The third step I would take is to define your audience. So having a business idea or a passion and validating it is not just enough. You need to know who your audience is or are. So again, there are a number of questions you need to ask. For example, who will benefit from my product or my service? What are the pain points? What do people spend time online researching or searching for? So for example, if your passion is maybe about fitness, you could target new moms trying to regain their fitness. You could target professionals needing that efficient workout plan. If you love photography, for example, you might cater to aspiring photographers looking for tips or people interested in photo editing tutorials. If writing is your passion, for example, you could also aim, to help aspiring authors who want to self-publish, businesses needing blog content, or students improving their academic writing skill. So if your passion lies in fashion, your audience might be young professionals seeking affordable but stylish outfits, So just look for that gap and try to fill it. So the fourth step I would say is to choose your platform, which also, this point also incorporates marketing. Once you know your audience, just select the best platform to reach them. For example, online businesses, you can use YouTube and Instagram. They're perfect for searching for expertise in building an audience. If you're selling products, for example, you can consider platforms like Etsy or Gumroad, the likes. But if you want a complete, control over your business, you could consider building your own website. The point is just to start from where your audience already exists and expand to other platforms as you grow. So, the fifth step, which is very important, is how to monetize this passion you have. Now, we've laid the foundation. What is the next thing you should do to make money? And there are so many ways you can make money, both online and offline. But I'll talk about four very popular ones. So, you could sell a product, you could offer services, you could go into affiliate marketing, and you can also consider ad revenue and sponsorship. So let me just explain this with an example. Let's say fashion designers and how they can monetize using these methods. So for example, if they want to go through the route of selling, you can sell products like digital styling guides or even, physical items such as custom scarves or jewelry. And if you choose to offer a service, you could host virtual styling sessions or workshops to help your clients enhance their wardrobe or learn a specific styling technique. So if you want to go through the route of affiliate marketing, for example, you can recommend fashion items and tools on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, even YouTube, and earn commissions when people purchase through your link. And lastly, you can monetize platforms like YouTube through ad revenue by creating content such as styling tips or secure sponsorships by partnering with brands that align with your fashion style. These strategies let you create multiple income streams while sharing your expertise. So I'll just take another example. If you're in the food business, if similar principles apply, basically you could sell recipe books, you could offer, cooking classes, promote kitchen tools as an affiliate, or work with brands or sponsored content. I don't want to make this video too long, but the opportunities span across various professions. If you'd like me to discuss with you on how to monetize your own specific field, just let me know in the comments or book a one-on-one session with me by clicking the link in the description or in the pinned comments, and I'll be happy to help you achieve your goals. The goal is to create multiple income streams over time to secure that financial stability. Over time, you can decide to monetize with more platforms. Okay, you can choose one or two of these, or even the whole four, or even maybe more, and monetize your passions. The final step I would say is to build your brand. So now that you've laid the groundwork, it's time to focus on branding and growth. Okay, so building your brand is all about standing out and connecting with your audience. So ask yourself questions like, what do I stand for? What kind of content do I want to share? Your brand should reflect your passion and communicate your values very clearly. As you grow, you can think about scaling your business, set up systems like email marketing, sales funnels to streamline your processes. So diversify your offerings by introducing new products or services that complement what you already provide. Also consider collaborating with others in your industry so you can tap into new audiences and build, that credibility. Just remember that growth takes time, and with consistency and a clear vision, and if you have that strong brand, you can take your passion to the next level and create a sustainable and thriving business. So there you have it. Those are the 6 steps to turn your passion into profits. I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you've learned something from this video. And if you have, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to learn about new ideas like this. If you have any questions and you want to discuss your passion on a deeper level, don't forget to book your session with me, or at least ask a question in the comment section. I always say that there's no silly questions, so please feel free to leave your questions in the comments and I'll be happy to respond to them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.